Yo, what is up, guys? My name is Rob. Thanks for tuning into the Rob's of Knowledge YouTube channel, and today we've got a video about pop sockets. So today we're going to be showing you guys how to install your new pop socket onto your phone or other device. Now, the pop socket can work on a lot of different phones and cases as well. The main thing you got to look out for are cases that are super rigid. Like some cases are have curvy waves in them, like that you can feel. Some of those they won't work on, but even some of those they will work on. So it's going to be a little bit of trial and error on your part, but without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. If you are looking for a pop socket to buy still, you can go ahead and check the link down in the description. I have linked to the official Amazon page of pop sockets, so you can make sure you're buying a authentic product, and that way the adhesive isn't super weak and make you drop your phone because you bought a fake pop socket. But first thing we got to do is go ahead and cut this, so let me go ahead and do that real quick. Also, quick thing to note, if you are putting this on any kind of glass back phone, you will need to buy a special adapter from Popsocket, which is just a circle clear disc that you put down before your pop socket. And that's only if you're putting it straight onto the phone and not on a case. But now we've got the bottom cut off here. Pop this baby open. And then you can just pull her on out. Here you go, it has all the Popsocket media, social media. And then you just press to release. Doesn't want to come out. Take this off. Oh, there we go, lost it a little bit. But here we have our pop socket. If you have an older case on or it's not brand new, I would recommend taking a little cotton pad with some rubbing alcohol on there and just cleaning the part where you're going to put your pop socket at the very least, just so there's a nice clean surface for the adhesive to adhere to. I would recommend a spot somewhere in between, if you're putting on a LifeProof case, somewhere in between the LifeProof and the Apple. This is a iPhone 8 Plus. But this can be taken up and reapplied, so you can always play around with the placement. Let me go ahead and dry this phone off real quick. And now it's nice and dry, so you're just going to go ahead and peel this little piece of plastic that's covering the adhesive. And go ahead and stick it on. Let's go ahead and firmly press. I will hold it for a good 10 seconds, 30 seconds, just to be safe. And there you go. Your new pop socket installed and ready to go. And this puppy is on there. I'm pulling pretty hard. You can see the case is flexing before the pop socket comes off. So that's the video for today, guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and also turn on post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video.